everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. You know how we are all kind of stuck in quarantine right now, so I've kind of been doing a lot of DIY projects and decorating my room and trying to come up with things to do while we're on this long quarantine. So I thought, maybe I should, spice up my room a little bit. Give it some tang. So I thought we should decorate or paint my ceiling fan. So I'm going to paint my ceiling fan. I'm going to take you guys along with the journey and process with me. So if you want to do it, we can do it together. Be a little cutesy little painted ceiling fans together. Or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me and I hope you guys enjoy the process. So my ceiling fan right now is just white, obviously it's just white because you guys know how I had worms dangling. When I took the tape off, when I took them off, it chipped some of the paint. So it's kind of ugly right now because you can see the thing underneath wood. I don't know if it's wood or not, but yeah, it's ugly. So good thing it's getting a new paint job today. I have to take off the blades, but I am not tall at all, so I can't even see where the screws are. So I'm gonna need some mommy assistance. Mommy! Doing a little work here. We got one down. That looks weird. What if I just left the fan like that? Little claws. Welcome to our workspace. Isn't it beautiful? Ow. Look, isn't it beautiful? So I'm thinking we should paint it pastel rainbow. So I got these colors. So we have this really pretty minty blue, then we have this sort of peachy pink, and then we have a really light pink that I like a lot. We got a light yellow, and I thought that this is kind of like an olive green. I thought it would go really well with all the light colors together. So look how pretty it goes together. Those two automatically go really good. And then with all the colors, I just think the dark green really kind of balances it out. The light yellow is my favorite because that's my favorite color. So, of course, it's my favorite. And then this pink, it's really light, but I think it looks really, really pretty. This side is the side that was, originally facing down, but some of the sides that are facing down has ugly scratches like that, and I don't want that to be seen when, it's pretty, so we're just gonna paint the side that was originally facing upward, so it looks nicer and cleaner and less scratched up. So each blade is going to be a different color, obviously, so I think the color I want to start with, ooh, big decision, big decision. I think I'm gonna go with peachy pink because I like saying peachy pink. Ooh, satisfying. It's jiggly. First blade done, down to business. That looks really pretty and it looks really cool looking. This is something fun to do when you're just stuck indoors. A little creative activity. Get your creative juices flowing. It's gonna be really pretty, I know. Ooh! Ooh, first streak on. That is gorgeous. That looks pretty. We're moving along. Ooh. I'm really in love with these colors. They're so light and so pretty. Ooh, this one's pretty. one's really light. I like it. When I originally got these colors, I thought that they might be too light, but I'm really liking the lightness of them. But I think this one might need 2 coats because right now it's looking a little see-through. Yeah. We're gonna come back to this one, let it dry, and then we'll do the second coat so it gets a little darker and less, like, you can see the white, so we don't want that. Ooh, this one's gorgeous. That is so pretty. The last one on the list. Ooh. So we're just gonna leave it to dry and we'll see when it's done. Hopefully it still looks as pretty as this because, you know, some paint dries darker. And we are finished. Look how cute and pretty and beautiful these came out. I really like them a lot. On the green one, there are some hairs that dried like under the paint. But you're probably not going to be able to notice them, so we're not making a big deal out of them. It's been 2 hours since we painted them, so they did kind of take a while, but that's usually the amount of time paint takes to dry. So yeah, we're going to take these in my room and we're going to attach. I'm just wiping this off to make it all look pretty because my fan is pretty dusty. So I want it to look good for its final form. These puppers on. Look at how cute though. It looks like a little snowflake. Okay.
Okay, and last screw.
Last screw! Last screw! I'm jumping for joy.
Oof. Okay.
We're done! We did it! Look at it in all its glory! So here it is in all its colorful glory. Doesn't it look pretty stunning, might I add? It's really pretty and I feel like it goes perfectly with my room decor, with my room in general. I just think it's mwah. And then when it spins, and it's, let me count. And when it spins, how does that look, man? It looks like a spinning pastel rainbow. Whoa, that looks mesmerizing. You can see like a whole rainbow. That looks really cool. Whoa. I'm proud of it. We did good. Little pound back. So this was a really quick and really easy thing to do to customize your room. So if you're thinking about changing up your room a little bit, this is really fun and it's really easy. All you have to do is paint and let it dry. If you want to change your room but not do something really drastic, like crazy, just paint your ceiling fan. And if you don't like it, you can just always paint it back white. Okay guys, so that was my completed ceiling fan. I had a lot of fun doing this and I got my inspiration from like ceiling fans that were rainbow, but I didn't really think rainbow went with my room and I like pastel, so I thought that make it go with my room and make a pastel rainbow. So that's why it's a pastel rainbow. Makes sense, right? Guys, so I was just editing and I realized that we didn't film an outro, so sorry about that, but I'm about to do it right here for you guys live on set. Just kidding. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.